Hey guys, this is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like, share, most of all, subscribe. I love all the wonderful comments. You can send them to me on Facebook under Clay's AC and Auto Repair. If you got any questions or anything that you need answered right away, it's the easiest way. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. Can't break what's already broken, so let's try to mess some stuff up right here. So the guy that's worked for me for a couple years, his name's Jeff Powee. Just turned me on to this great way to put on exhaust springs on my snowmobile. And hey, exhaust springs are a pain in the butt, but he made it a lot simpler. Told me just use some hose clamp rings, you know. You can use the smaller ones or big ones. I'm using the smaller ones just because it's what I grabbed, but put them on there and you'll definitely find that it's much easier to put these exhaust springs on. You can pull it and they still move a little bit in there, and it's got the hook, and once you close it, it's good to go. So hopefully that's helpful. Can't break what's already broken. Anybody, any other man can do it, woman can do it, and you can do it too. So let my videos play while you're working on your stuff. Turn the volume down so you don't have to hear me yammer. Start fixing stuff. Have a great day.